We had a discussion this morning in the governance session, and there was a poll, and 60% of the people think it's not a bubble, and the opportunity to capture the value is still there. And I think that there is substantial value and returns to be extracted out of this new market-changing invention and change, and not only in AI specific, but also through the full spectrum of from power generation to data centers to chips to technology, software, and capital market. So the advancements of technology require heavy investments, and we come from the wealth management and asset management, and you see the developments throughout the world, whether through in China or in the States or also from our region. The requirements of government investment solo cannot drive and take it to the next level. So you'll see a lot of the founders and companies, they raise globally, and when their capital markets are stronger, you'll see more advancements, stronger research, and higher delivery, and a shorter cycle for delivering return on investments. I think the opportunity is massive, and we are just at the beginning. And the ability to transform this into throughout the economy to create a true value in short period of time, as the whomever does that will be the winner. And I think China AI Plus is a true serious desire to deliver on that to win the race.
Mm-hmm. And Hisham, let me bring back your global investment perspective. Now you have heard about China's national strategy and also these business dynamics. What do you think about China's AI plus development? And do you find it maybe, how do you compare it into global AI development?
Yeah, so my view is one, it starts from the top. Yeah, so it's the discipline and direction, whether it's a country or a region, or or even if it's a company. So in our company, I went and we assigned 10% of the yearly objectives of all chiefs, that they have to see how to adapt the AI, and not to adapt AI as an interface, but how to transform that in actual efficiency. Now, if you take that example and move it to a country, you'll see the compounded benefit onto the economy. Then you look at the open structure of the China AI philosophy, let's call it. Then you have the non-open structure, okay? And that signal that the benefit, they want to see it to trickle down into the economy, into the companies, so it's a more of affordable. So it's not the benefit of that company, of that product, the return of that individual. It's not an individual, it's an economy. And this is very interesting. And they have applied that across the economy. Now in our region, you will see also very leading models in UAE, for example, and how they want to make the AI as a part of mandatory learning process in schools, also in Bahrain. Yeah, so different countries, they are taking different commitment levels. I think soon or now we are seeing AI becoming as a part of the lifestyle. So it's a more of the lifestyle, and how you utilize that. But it's very interesting to see what's the end game. I think China is looking to create value throughout the economy, very clear, with very specific objectives across the economy, not just as a benefit of those companies and and this is the difference in the philosophy, I think.
That's right. That's a very, your observation is very right on the point, because China is really integrating AI into various aspects of the economy. And talking about the economy, it ultimately is about people's economy and how we work.